Good afternoon. It's June the 1st, 2017. Time to recap today's trading, take a look at tonight and tomorrow, and we'll start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came in today. We liked the E-mini, but we saw it as a trading range. It can support 2405, 2410, resistance 2415 to 17, and our resistance at 17 held until after lunch when the market starts to trade up. Now, the ADP number today was much higher than forecast. Looking for 170, and it came in at 250. I think maybe 258. It was a big number. And then we have the Paris Climate Treaty, which our government is named an accord, so because they couldn't get it passed through the Senate. And Trump is supposed to withdraw from that this afternoon. We'll be in the process of doing it right now. So it could have been a couple of things that led to the rally. If he does withdraw from the Paris Climate Treaty, that will put a lot of extra bucks back into American pockets. Not much to say about the trading. It was just back and forth. There was very, very little opportunity. You had to sell value area highs, buy the mean green line. That was about as good as you could do. Exit value area highs up here. Mean green. We talked about a couple of times over a couple of hours. You're buying 14s and you were selling 16s, and then the market breaks out and we get move, pause, move, and we're in a pause consolidation. And we did break it out. We said the next trading target was 24.25, and looks like the high is 26.50. So our assessment of what the market was going to do and where it was going to go when it broke out were spot on. And if you had utilized that information, you could have done well. F1 is going to show bias, find a place to buy it. F2 is going to show find a place to buy it. And right here was the breakout. Volume was moving higher in the distributions. No reason not to expect the market to go higher. And we were trading in the top half of the distribution also. So the best buy was leaning against the Globex high volume number when the day session opened. Earlier than that, you had a chance to get in at 24.12. So as usual, they make us pay up to get long. So closing right here, we've got a lot of news tomorrow. Non-farm payroll forecast currently at 185. Unemployment 4.4. I don't imagine the unemployment number will get any lower. Earnings plus 0.2, that's the default. Work week 34.4. International trade minus 46.1. And Baker Hughes rig count. Last week it was 1,001 and 908. I guess both of those numbers could be higher next week based on the price of oil. The focus: unemployment, non-farm payrolls. So London, sell failure to take out 24.26, 24.2750. Then we're selling 29s to 31s. On the buy side, maybe come back below this M period low. Maybe get lucky 24.20, 24.22. Put a question mark at 24.24. Then 15 to 17 for buy 2. So that's it for the E-mini. Down to the news tomorrow. No the news, you have the trade. Treasury's actually held in pretty well given the rally in equities today. Bottom didn't fall out of the market as you would anticipate. Lower high, lower low, F1, find a place to sell it. We have a P put in backwards. That means short covering. So 7 to 11, sell 1. 15 to 19, sell 2. On the buy side, 29 to 01, pretty much where we were this morning. And then 21 to 25 for buy 2. Know the news, you have the trade. ZB, the 30-year. $20.24, number 1. $27.31, sell 1. Numbers sound familiar. 3 to 7, sell 2. On the buy side, 8 to 12, number 1. 1 to 5, buy 1. 21.25, buy 2. A lot of put protection taken over the last 2 days. That in and of itself is supportive. You get gold. Okay, tomorrow is a newsday trade for gold treasuries. Know what the news is. You have the trade. Inside day on gold. Trade it. F2. And this is a surprising extension up in I period. You'd have expected it to go down, but it didn't. So we closed pretty strong. So 73.75, sell 1 for London. 78.80, sell 2. On the buy side, 65.67. And then 60.62, buy 2. Looking at crude oil. Interest today in crude oil. Our assessment on crude oil and trades really worked out very well today. Very glad that we had the news hit today and increased the volatility, because pretty tough trading prior to that. Inside day, find a trading range market tomorrow is what that would suggest. We guessed that there would be market on close selling, and there was. That took us down, so got a pretty clean break at 48.50. So 25 to 50, sell 1, and then 75 to the buck, sell 2. On the buy side, we're at support at 48, so 47.75, 48, buy 1. Like the short side better, to see if we can take out 47.75. We break 75, I think we're going to go down the buck, so 47, 47 and a quarter, buy 2. Our projected low is 47 even. And looking at the euro, big market in the euro. Had a lot of range today. We have that a couple of days of the week, but usually if you're the range and the opportunity come at London time. London is the center of the currency market. We had a good sell this morning. Weren't perfect, but we had a sell 45 to 55 and then 70 to 80. And the market did sell. And just got right below our first sell point on the day session. And our buy session, we had 112 even, 112.10. We caught that in the Y period. It's a B, looking for a place to sell it. So 35 to 45, sell 1. 60 to 70, sell 2. On the buy side, 112 even, buy 1. This will be impacted by the news too in a big way. It usually has as big a reaction as treasuries do. So know the news, you have the trade. That'll be our trade as we roll into it tomorrow morning. That's all I have for today. I'll see you bright and early in the AM, and we'll get set to do some news day trading based on our news day trading strategy. Had a reasonable day. Tuesday and Wednesday were certainly a lot better. Hopefully tomorrow, with the extra volatility, we'll have a big day tomorrow. Y'all have a great evening. I'll see you bright and early in the morning.